Even AI make mistakes, so teach AI your preference in vibe coding. Is your AI agent secretly lying to you? A single line of code could be making it misinterpret false as true, causing chaos in your data validation and putting your application at risk. Don't let your vibe coding efforts go to waste. In this video, we'll expose 3 critical Boolean logic mistakes you can't afford to miss and show you how to fix them for good. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. In Python, a common vibe coding mistake stems from Python's truthiness rules. Any non-empty string, even the word false, evaluates to true when you use the bool function. An AI generating code might not catch this nuance. For our AI data validation agent, this is catastrophic. It means a user's false input is treated as true, leading to wrong actions, corrupted data, and even security holes if validation checks are bypassed. It's a simple error, but one that can completely undermine your AI's reliability and function. Here's a map of our AI data validation agent. It takes in raw data and is supposed to filter and clean it. But look closer, it's like an X-ray showing where the code is sick. The infection starts right here, when validating user input. It spreads to the configuration settings, and finally corrupts the data filtering process. These 3 bugs, all caused by the same simple Boolean mistake, can compromise the entire system, leading to disastrous outcomes. To prevent these errors from the start, we can guide the AI with a smart vibe coding prompt. We'll instruct it to build a data validation agent that avoids Python's truthiness traps by using explicit checks for strings like true and false, and implementing robust error handling. This is how you teach your AI to code defensively. If you want the full prompt we used, subscribe to our channel and we will share it with you. First, the code gets the string false and uses bool on it. Since false isn't an empty string, Python says it's true. This makes the agent do the exact opposite of the right way is to check the string's actual content. We convert the input to lowercase and compare it to the word true. Now, false is correctly understood as false, and the logic works. Next, a function for settings does the same thing. It receives false as a string, but bool makes it true. This could accidentally turn on a debug mode, creating security risks. The safe function explicitly checks the input. If it's a string, it's normalized and checked against true or false. This ensures settings are interpreted correctly every time. Finally, when filtering data, a record with the status false is mistakenly kept as active. The bool function again sees a non-empty string and returns true, corrupting the final dataset. To fix the filter, we explicitly check if the status is true or active. The record with the false string is now correctly ignored, preserving your data's integrity. Simple, but by fixing these simple Boolean logic errors, you transform your AI agent. Your decision-making becomes accurate, your application is secured against logic exploits, and its overall performance becomes truly reliable. Stop letting Python's truthiness traps undermine your AI. Teach it the right way. Subscribe for more vibe coding tips to power up your AI agents. Did you vibe code smarter today?